So I knew about a cold potato, cold raw potato in water being delicious, soup, you know. I knew about lice in their hair. I knew about rats running over them when they were sleeping. I knew about precious, precious friendships that were formed in the camps, you know, with other people. And my mother and her sisters were in Majdanek and Bergen-Belsen and Auschwitz, and they walked, sometimes for days, miles, all day, and people fell and they left them. People lagged and they were shot. And this was woven into Mary Had a Little Lamb and the Goldilocks stories, you know. Interesting childhood. It was incredibly joyful. They survived. They were survivors. They were proud of each other and of themselves. And mainly what they emphasized was that it was because they were together that they survived, that they each lived for each other. They each wanted to live the next day for each other, that they couldn't afford to let go, you know, of that life force because they had to take care of each other.